Where was we last week? So we was having problems with the explosion. Not last week, Monday. So we'll just recap. After my minor meltdown, which FaZe clipped. Thank you, mate. Thank you for clipping it, mate. Just as a permanent reminder of me having a meltdown. Right. So here we go. The problem with the explosion, when you go forward and you blow up, it doesn't work. It don't work. that shouldn't be how it goes. So yes, I've just downloaded it, mate. When I was that's when the Be Right Back was on. So what we're gonna do? So a certain somebody's fixed it, right? So let's create a branch for it. So let's create a branch for it. So we've now got a branch, and so we can grab what he's done. So for what did you say the files were you chopped? Oh, you've been chatting away while I've been on here. What files did you say? Line and player. Okay. Right, so we're just going to put SP's code in. So we should be able to, yep, 2 files have changed. So let's see what's changed. So, really, you put a space in front of the colon. Really? Really? Okay. Right. What else? What's next? You moved the asterisk. Really? Right. What we got here? Oh, auto formatting. Okay. So what's changed here? Oh, you've passed in the ship velocity. Oh, that's going to reset my thingy because I don't think it'll like it. Yep, there it goes. It's rebooted because I haven't changed it yet. So you've passed in the ship velocity. Okay. What else? Get current. Oh, you've added a get current angle to. Right. Okay. And you said player was the other one, didn't you? Right. So you added it, but you've not used it. Okay. So, okay, that's not anything. Right. Oh, this must be auto format. Right. Here we go. This is it, isn't it, here? This must be here with momentum. What changed there? Oh, it's just the formatting, okay. So you've created 2 new variables, but you didn't use them. Okay. You remove the velocity XY part. Oh, right, okay. Okay. Alright, let's have a look. Let's see. So it was what I thought it was on Monday that I gave you the hint, yeah? I can hear Aston's stomach from here. Right then. Let's see. Go, 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 gadget. Go, 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 gadget. Oh, the wraparound code's not on. But it does it. It does it. Do you think it's exploding quick enough? You want to tweak it some more? Well, let's see. Yeah, it functions at the moment. Right, let's just boost the blowing up, and then we'll sort the wrapping as well. That should be easy. What? Right, let's see, does this... Right. Yeah, I think that's better. Right, so tweaking. We need to do the wrap round. We need it to go wrap round. That background doesn't half make my eyes go funny because the background's moving, but the asteroids are sort of staying still. I'm expecting the asteroids to disappear off the screen. Just go. Right. Right. So we need to make sure that the lines don't go off the screen. So that's gonna have to be an update. I'm sure it is here. It's gonna have to be in there. So where we're in player, we've already got this code already languishing about. Here we go. Right, so how are we going to do this? Play at level 7 only gets hard. Yeah. How are we going to do the lines? Yeah, but we have 2 points. We have the start and end, don't we? I'd rather say if that and that. Yeah. So then we'll bring him in. If we're at -10 and we add 800, then that's 7. So we don't. Does ABS exist? So if it's -10, right, -10, so that's 800 plus the absolute value of -10, which is 10. That's not going to work either, is it? Right. This is not going to work, but see if you can see why it won't work. Yeah. Yeah. Because that will just invert it. That'll just invert it. Not unless we do this. Oops. Go back. Oh, what on earth? What is going on? Oh, I know what's going on. Silly me. That would do it. Right, that should do it. So if X point is my... Right, so let's work this out. Right, if this X point is -1 and this one... No, let's do it the right way. So -1 and this one's -100. Let's make it obvious, yeah? Let's make it obvious. Then what we need to do is we need to make X point be, so it's going to be like that, yeah? -100, -1. So we need to replicate that on that side. Now, if we said X point equals width plus the absolute value of -100, then, and then end point is the width minus the absolute value of -1, you end up doing that, yeah? You end up flipping the line. So what we're doing is basically saying, right, this is at -100 and this is at -1. So therefore, when we move it over to that side, this needs to be -1 and this one needs to be -100. And hence why we flip these two over, right? So we'll do the same for this side as well. So greater than width and we'll do the set. So I'll get rid of them now I've explained. So we'll grab that, put that there. Now this is gonna be minus because we want it to be off the screen, right? So we will grab that and put that there. Come on. And we will grab that and put that there. Right. That should do it. Let's see if we can wrap round now in exploding terms. Oh, I can hear Aston's stomach from here. Right, here we go. Ha ha ha! Right, okay. Right, I think I know what that problem was. Hey, Mikroman. Let's try that again. Cool effect, though. Oh. What's going on there? Okay. Maybe Y is not the same. Hang on, let me just make sure I've got this right. Save that code for the power-up laser. I don't know what's going on. Hang on. It's got to be something to do with this. Oh, well spotted. Well spotted, mate. Well spotted. Right, here we go. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, come on. That doesn't even come back. Yeah, yeah. Let's do a quick. So we're going to go off the side, all right? We're going to go off the side. Yeah, I'm getting there, mate. Getting there. I was just trying to see if we could do it without having to do it that way, but it looks like we're gonna have to, isn't it? Right. Let's fly off the side. Here we go. Oh, look at the numbers. Look at those numbers. I mean, that one. Where did that one come from? Have I got my maths wrong? Hey Stackbats, welcome. Oh dear. Why would that? Oh, hang on. I wonder if, because we're right, so we're taking it off this side of the screen and then trying to put it on that side of the screen but off, but we're testing for that, and I'm wondering if it's falling into that test and then starting to bounce around, and that's why we're getting the stupid numbers. Right, so we get, oh my god, look at those numbers. Look at those numbers. Minus 49,000, minus 61,000. What on earth is going on there? So we've got it now doing the same thing as the Y. So we're now at least consistent. We're at least consistent. Maybe we should not bother about wrapping it round. You've blown up. You're off the screen. I'm not going to faff about with this. I'm not going to faff about with that. I think that's wasting too much time on something. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do, because we come back. Keep that code in its a weekend party. Well, I've just remmed it out. It'll be interesting if you guys can. I just don't think it's worth it, to be honest. I don't think it's worth it. Trying to figure this out just to make it so it wraps around. Yeah. No. Right, what are we doing? What are we doing? So, where's the to-do list? Right, so we've sort of done that. Yeah? I don't know what I was going to put there, so we'll leave that like that. So, create a UFO class. Number of lives. Is that done? That's done, isn't it? That's done. Right, so the UFO. Is bonus done? What's this one? Jetpack style fuel collection can only move at fixed slow speed when at no fuel. Who put that one in? Oh, who put that one in? Oh, do we have to do a fuel gauge now? Right, let's do the UFO. Let's see how I did it by game, because it's going to be roughly similar. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Can anybody see it? Pyroids. There we go. I used a sprite, probably. UFO. Here we go. So what did I have? I had size, multiplexer, ship index. What's a ship index? Huh. Recharge time. Oh, recharge time. I think that's the time it takes to fire another laser. Right. So there's the draw. Someone wants to see how long you will stay on a project that's off topic. The recharge time's random in arcade. Okay. Right, so this is drawing. This is drawing the spaceship. Right. And then we're doing polygons. 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 Right. I just realised what you just said. Just realised what you just said. Oh dear. Right. Okay. Go and get some then. Go and get some. Right, let's start this UFO class. So, let's create a new file. UFO.cpp. And let's grab the standard stuff. So I don't think we need that. I don't think we need that. Right, so protected. What variables are we going to use inside? Right, so right, so let's just make sure I can still see chat. Right, so we currently in here. So we have keep forgetting that's capital S. Capital S. Hello? Oh. John, come on. That's right. Oh, is it that? There we go. There we go. Right, and then we need a size multiplier. I am not sure what this ship index is. Ah, that's probably where then, because I would, yeah, okay. Right, we'll put this ship index in, because I'm not too sure what it is. So I've just had a look. And there's only 5 references. And one of them is for the thrust. Oh, X velocities. X velocities, where's that? Oh, I see. I see. I see. Right. Oops, that. What's this? What's this? Hello? Oh dear. FaZe has found the clipping tool. Right. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? This is an array. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? Yeah, there's an awful lot. I had a look at all the clips on my channel. There's an awful lot of them. Okay, why is this array not working? Or do I have to do this? Is it me being stupid and I have to do that? There we go. C for dummies. There we go. Oh, why doesn't... Oh, so it does need a 3. Right, okay. Right, that's that. So, this is the speed. This is the speed of the ship. So, depending on what size, it has different speeds. So that's what the ship index means. Right, so then we've got... And... Right. So. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. I beat you to it. I beat you to it. I beat you to it, mate. Sorry. I'm missing some. You mentioned it ages ago. Oh, so you did. Okay, I'll let you off. There you go. Since you mentioned it before I'd done it. That's what I'm missing. Right, so we create a new UFO and I suppose we could initialize it in here, I think. So let's grab all this lot. Oops. Now, there was that base thing, wasn't there? Where you can call the base. Can you remember what? Oh, it was in one of the drawers, wasn't it? Oh, right. We couldn't have done it. Must have took it out. Well, we need to do that anyway. So this one's going to be... size. What else do I need? What else do I need? That's it. That's it in terms of constructors. Right, so drawing. Right, drawing. So we're going to use the same stream freeze. Really? Okay. Hello. Royal C. I think that's how you spell it. Royal C. Hello. Or say it, should say. Your video audio's gone. Oh, okay. I seem to be okay. I ain't dropped anything. I ain't dropped any frames. Let us know when you come back. Hi Lizzie, welcome. Just press F5, mate. Just press F5. That'll sort it out. Right. So we're going to do the same as what we've done here. Yeah? We're going to do the same as what we've done here. Reboot. Reboot? You don't need a reboot for Twitch. Alt F4. Right, okay. Is it? No, not Alt F4. I'm not falling for that one again. Right, so we're going to do the same thing as we did for the ship, right? We're going to use an array of SDL points, yeah? So that's what we're going to do, and we are going to use the center of the ship. I had a picture of this knocking about somewhere. Did I save it? No, I didn't. That's a shame. I did have a picture of this. Is it on my phone? Did I take a picture of it? Hang on. See if I've got a picture of it. When did I do this? Back then. No, it's not that. Not that. Not that. No, I didn't take a picture of it. Oh well.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
What the? Yeah, that's what mine does. I think that's what mine does. Right, we'll wait for it. We'll wait for the spaceship to turn up. Does it break up? Because if it breaks up, we'll just do the same mechanics that we did with the ship. Yeah. It doesn't break up. Oh, you're joking. Someone ran into me. Oh, I've got to pay attention. Okay, it was a small one that came first. God, it's lethal. Lethal. Right, let's change the setting. Right, how long before the ship arrives? Did we say... Was it in here? I can't remember. Oh, it probably wasn't. Let's run it again. Let's hopefully we'll get another let's get another one. Hang on, we'll turn borders off as well. Because we don't need that on. Right, so we should be getting the spaceship. Come on. Come on, spacey, spaceship. Come on. Anytime now. Come on. I've got it pretty well the same. Got it pretty well the same, look. It's not far off, is it? Wasn't a bad shout. Wasn't a bad shout, so let's see.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's points, isn't it? It's just points. It's just points. Right. I'm going to grab that. And we will put it in here. Right. So that's the video. I also noticed another thing as well. The sound is loud. Is it? I've got this on 50. Oh, of the game, yeah. I also noticed, did you notice that the asteroids were going at different speeds? All of them were going at different speeds. They weren't going at the same speed. So maybe we should randomise the speeds. No, I think it was all of them, mate. I think it was all of them. Have I still got it open? Yeah. Right, let's turn the sound off. Yeah, they're going at different speeds. But the small ones seem to be going... Oh, hang on. Yeah, it's like it looks like. Let's pick something up here. Right, here we go. Oh no, that was no way. Right, what I was thinking. Right, what I was thinking was that the asteroid was taking the velocity of the bigger asteroid. Yeah, and giving it, but it's not. The asteroids look the same, but the size varies. No, they've got up jaggedy bits. Oh, I suppose. Yeah, that's the same. That's the same. Yeah, it looks like there are sets, isn't there? There's different. There's probably a set number of asteroid shapes. Yeah, there's probably a set number of asteroid shapes. Right, we'll leave that there so we can look at it. So we need to, so instead of fixing the speed, we need to randomize it. So let's put that in there here. Yeah, like I'm going to put a Z in that. Oh, what's he gone downstairs for? What have you done? What have you done? You want to go out? Alright guys, I'm just going to take him out. I won't be a second. I won't be a second. Right. Where were we? Right. We have random seeds for the asteroids, but I've just seen why the medium and small ones don't change much. Change the bot message from bits to more bickies. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. They are created with level 1 speed. Right, okay. Yeah. Right. I will make a note of that. Hang on. Change bits message to, what was it? More bickies, was it? See, this is all for you, mate. It's all for you. Can you see the arch on his back? I hope that gets better. And a new voiceover. Yes, a new voiceover. Yes, a new voiceover. Right, okay, CPP roids. Lines 379 to 3. Right, so we need the randomizer in there, don't we? Hey Nikomo, welcome. To level. Is it level? Oh, capital L. What's the matter? You want a cuddle? Come here then. Aston. Come here. You want a cuddle? Come here then. Come here. Don't you dare trump on me again. I'm telling you. Right, say hello to everyone, right? Say thank you for the bickies. Say thank you for the bickies. Go on. You're going, you don't do much, do you? Here we go. You alright now? You had a cuddle? Alright, give me one. Yeah, cuddle. There we go. You old man. Cool, you still stink, mate. Well, have you just... You haven't just dropped another one, have you? Jesus. God, dude. Just been out and all. Right. Yeah. I'm just checking if there's a warning on them. I've just read this. I've just read the instructions. Right. Right. Feeding instructions. Small dog, 4 to 9 kilos, which Aston is. Andy's putting on weight, by the way. He's putting on weight. He's put half a kilo on. Feed up to 2 cubes per day. How many has he had just now? What, 4, 5? No wonder it stinks. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh dear. Como. Oh, I've got to give him some more. You better not trump on me. 50 bits, that's 2 bickies. Jeez. You want these? Come on then. There you go. Oh dear. You just want to... You're punishing me, aren't you? He's going to come in here and it's going to stink the place out. Right. So that's... So basically it's the level. Okay. Will it compile? Let's have a look. You're making the doggy happy. I've just seen the message behind me. They're not come out at different speeds though, have they? So we're definitely going to have a randomizer on it. Level 2, okay. Whoa, I thought I was going to miss that one then. I suppose they are speeding up a little bit. Oh, we run out of space. Oh, I died. The end of the universe, yes. Look, the end of the universe. Or as us Minecrafters would call it, the void. We have the void in this game. Wicked. There it is. Yeah, it's an image. Yeah, we've got to figure out how to repeat it. I think it makes it a little bit more difficult because it changes angle. Yes, that's what I saw. Right. So we're going to create the UFO using a set of vectors. Yeah. So let's put that in here. So we need to, is that gonna, Are you going to rectify yourself, or have I got to include something? Am I missing something? No. So we're going to create a set of vectors, and then we're going to work out the draw routine. So let's do that. Now, how are we going to do this? Who's pinging me? Oh, someone's created a new channel. Right. So, how did I do it in here? The draw. Here we go, the draw. Right. So, we're working off the X and Y point. Right. Now there's no rotation. There's no rotation for the UFO, so we don't have to worry about rotation. So it's all fixed as it is there. It's all fixed. So if we do this as one, if we do this as one line, right, so if we do this as just one line, we could... Alright, let's see if we can recreate the UFO. Have I still got the image around? I think I have. Yeah, there it is. Right, so let's see if we can get this created. Yes, that's what I'm thinking of doing. You can't think of doing it in... Right. Let's see. That doesn't look right, but we'll carry on. We'll carry on. Right. That top doesn't look right. That top does not look right at all. What did I put in the code? Top left is -15, -30. Top right +15, -30. So let's say if that's the center. If that's the center. Yeah. That needs to go there. there. Like that. And then we've got that. And then that. So can we do that in one go? No. No. Now, when I did it in Python, I drew the outer shell using the polygon and then the two lines. That's what I did. That's how I drew it. So basically I did from that all the way around the outside like that, and then I did two lines. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. Yeah, so we're going to create, so we'll create so we need to create points on these. These intersections. Oops. So that's where we're going to create the points. Yeah. So now the way I coded it in, so we got UFO top left, yeah. So UFO top left. So that means this one that one is UFO top left. So let's see if we can do this.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Go up, right, down, down, right, up, right. Right, so start. So you're saying start here, yeah? So up, right, down, down, left, up, right. Hang on, let's do it. So we start there, and you've said go up, right, down, down, left. Where's the up? Where's the up? You may have missed the down. Okay, so, okay. Up, right, down, 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 left, up, right. Oh, I see what you mean, that we only have to put the one line in then. Yeah? Right, I see what you mean. Okay, let's mark these points so we know what they are, yeah? Let's see. Can I flip that? Flip. Can I flip that? No, I can't flip it. Oh, you're joking. Oh, that's alright. Come on, move. Move. There we go. Right, so we're going to start from there. So we're going to call that, what did I call that? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. So we can't finish there. We've got to finish here. That's alright. We'll do what we've done in the pie game. We'll do what we've done in the pie game, right? So, in pie game, I called this one... what do I call that one? Second left. Yeah, so I called that second left. Copy that, paste. This one was top left. And you can see where I'm going with this. So this one... This one was called third left. And if you can guess what this one was called, I'll give you some points. Oh, I can't go up. Can't go up. Can't go up. Can't go. Yes, I can. I can do this. It does, mate. It does. Yeah, well, bottom left, that's what it was. Oh, no. You're right. So we could get away with it. We could get away with it. Right, so this is the route we're going to take. So let's just shift this out of the way a sec. So this is the route we're going to take. So let's put an arrow on. So we're going to go from there to there. To there. To there. Yeah. So far, so good. Is he alright? I'm just hearing Aston moaning. And then we're going that way. That way. Then was on about, we went this way, didn't we? Went this way, across here. And so we only have the one line to put in. Oh, yes, well done. Well done for guessing it right. I'll give you that. Right, so let's work out these points. So I'm going to use the maths that we've used in the pie game because I've worked all that out, but it's the order we're going to use them that's going to change.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh, thank you for following. Oh, look at that. Streamlads has gone and told me who's followed. Streamlads has told me who's followed. Look, I can intercept that and make it automatic. Oh yes. Well, if you do exclamation mark my points, yeah, you'll see how many points you've got. But then again, there's the top 10. Where's my points? Oh, oh, hang on. Is it just points? No, it's not. It's OSK points, isn't it? Oh. I've forgotten my own commands. I've forgotten my commands. There we go. There we go. There we go. Lots of Discord CP. Oh, my OSK points. There we go. My OSK. There we go. Thank you, SP. I'm glad you remembered. SP's cheating. Well, now Streamlabs is now... Because Streamlabs told me who followed, didn't they? Didn't it? Yeah, look, thank you for following. We can intercept that. The bot can intercept that, so I can automate the new follow. Oh, yes. Right, that's a project for tomorrow. Get that done. Get that done. So I don't have to keep going, who's followed? I can let it do it on its own now. Right, so here we go. So let's do some working out. So let's do ints. Right, top left. No, I'll get that sorted. I'll get that sorted tomorrow. I was going to do it today. Old Cola school is dropped. No, C++ was still back in the day. I know C++ was still being used in the 1990s when I was at uni. So don't give me that phase. C++ is probably older than... Yeah. So don't give me that. Was it in the 70s? There you go. You can now put old school coder back together instead of just old coder. How dare you call me old? I just realised what you just said. Git. Right, X point. So that's our centre. Right. And let's do this. So 15 times by size multiplier. Right, so oh dear. Old Cola school is dropped. No, C++ was still back in the day. I know C. Oh dear. You've FaZe has now found the clipping tool, hasn't he? He's definitely found the clipping tool. Definitely found the clipping tool. Right. I'm just trying to... I am wondering... did I do it in player? Go back to player, John. Go back to player. Go on, bet. Oh, I fixed them. I fixed them. Right. So I fixed. So I must have set the dimensions in the... yes, I did. So we need, where is it? So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Welcome to the madhouse. Right, the size multiplier is the thing that's going to it's going to... Oh, you was a recipient of Docster's gift sub. Well done, mate. Congratulations. I mean, that man's a true legend. I don't know if he's still on, but he's a true legend. I mean, he's now up to, what, 305 gift subs for this channel. He is an absolute legend. A mad legend, but an absolute legend. Right, so the size multiplier defines the size of the ship, yeah? The size of the ship. So for a small ship, we're going to have small, medium and large. So the size multiplier will exaggerate the points, yeah? So if we had, say if this was a small ship, if we said added a size multiplier, then that point would move from there to up there, yeah, because we'd be multiplying where it is. We'd be multiplying, so everything would blow up, yeah. So that's what the size multiplier is for. So we're timesing the differential between our center point and that line by the multiplier. So if it was the small ship, it would have a size multiplier of 1. Medium ship, size multiplier of 2, which means it's 30 pixels away from the center, and the large one would be 45 away. Yes, so we're basically preparing for the zooming and the scaling. But you have to put it into the maths. I mean, we could, if we wanted to, faff about with scaling in SDL, I think. But I think that's more picture-based scaling, more than lines, because we're working with lines. So I think we'll do this instead. It's SDL point, something like that, isn't it? Yeah. I think we should be able to do that. And then do that. There we go. More like it. So Y well, we can try it. We can try it. We can certainly try it. But is that scaling the renderer? Is that actually scaling the renderer? I'm just wondering if that's going to scale our renderer, which is the entire thing. Because remember, we're plonking onto the renderer. Really? Is that what you think it is? Not from what I've just... Right. You know, the drawing coordinates are scaled by the XY factor. But the thing is, we're sending in the renderer. So how does it know where the lines are? Yeah? Because we've put it on the renderer. So that means everything will scale up. Even the background, the... I mean, we can test it straight away. We can test it straight away. That's not an issue, right? Because we can do this, right? Where do we... It's in the game loop, isn't it? Where's the game loop? Right. Where's the update? Where's the update? Here. Yes. Here. So I'm assuming that if we do this, it'll be the same size. Well, let's see. Let's see. So I'm assuming that's going to make it the same size. Right, so that's the same size. So let's give it a factor of 2, yeah? Now, logic would dictate that that's twice as much. You'd think. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Okay. So transversely. Well, we'll try it with the ship, yeah? We'll try it with a ship. Right, we'll try it with a ship, alright? So we'll shift this. We'll shift this and we'll try it with a ship, yeah? So we're going to scale it. So we're going to scale it to 2 times, yeah? Then draw the ship and then scale it back to 1 like you were saying, yeah? and see if that makes the shit twice as big. I don't think it will. I don't think it will. I think the scaling is to scale the actual rendering surface, so it doesn't matter what scale we've put it on or anything. Oh, look at that! We got a huge ship! Huge ship! But it's not in the place where we want it. I think that's going to be more problematic. It's a great feature. We could have it zooming in and out, you know, frames, so make it even harder. Oh dear. We could have it zooming out, so give real psychedelic feel to it. Yeah. Nah, I don't think that's going to work, mate, because I think it's we'd have to adjust the X, and I don't want to really adjust the X, so we might as well just mathematically work it out. It's not so hard. Not so hard, but it was a good. That was a good fun, wasn't it? That was. Well, we learned something. We learned something that we can actually resize the surface if we want to. All right, FaiRLane. Pleasant sleep, mate. Pleasant sleep. Right, so that's the top left. So that's the top left. I'm now thinking differently. I think it starts at. Did it start at 1? Draw. Where's draw? No, 0. Right, okay. I think we're going to do this differently. We're going to do it like this. And then do... ship points, that's not right. UFO points, that's the one. And then do this. Right. So let's get this done. So top left, what's the next one? Top right. Second left. Second right. Third. Bottom. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 8 points, and we said it was 8 points, didn't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Right. let's get this going. Right, so we're now doing... Oh, why am I going down there? Go away. Right. Okie dokie. We'll have this done by the time you get back. Right, so this is plus 15 and minus 30 still. Right, so let's do the next set of points. So this is going to be second. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Go, mate. Are you trying to get on the top? Oh, are you on top? Oh, look at that. Nikomo, you got to start earning some points, mate. He's running away with it. It won't last. Why not set them in a 2D array? Because it's slower to draw, mate. I'm good because I'm going to do the asteroids like this. Because the asteroids are in a 2D array that we loop through. But it's slower to draw and we're already starting to see a drop off. So the asteroids, right, the asteroids. I think the asteroids are where we loop through. Yeah, look, we loop through, yeah? And I think we need to... Alt, shift down, duplicates. Alt, shift down. Well, I never. Well, I never. Oh, I'm going to be writing these down. I'm going to have to be writing these down. Drag the cursor down, really? Oh. Right, let's get this going. Right, second is minus 25 and minus 15. Right, what's the next one? So that second left, second right is plus 25. And then 15. Yeah. Then the third left. Right, third left. Right, let's shift, alt. Well, I never. Cool, you learn something every day. Use Shift Alt F to format the lot. Shift Alt. How long have I been using VS Code? And I don't know these. That's just Shift Alt. Oh, I thought Aston was struggling then. God, you learn something every day. Every day's school day. You will do a course on how to use VS Code. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. If I don't know how to do it. Right, so left. Bottom left is minus 25, so this must be 15. But it's plus now, 15. Plus 15. 25. Minus plus. Plus plus. Right, that is being put in my bookmarks, and for that I think that deserves recognition. Thank you very much. I think that deserves recognition. Right, so now we've got our points all set. That let's get that on screen, shall we? Right, I think I need to do something else. Yes, it's this. And also, let's just fix it on the screen, and we'll make it big. We'll make it big, just for the heck of it. Right. So let's get this made.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Oh, did I leave it? Oh, rats. Thank you. Right, so let's get this put on here so we can get it on the screen. So Shift Alt H. Okay. Right. We need to put this on the screen, yeah? So what we're going to do is we'll create it here. Create it here. We need to send the render in, don't we? We need to send the render in. Do we do that? No, we don't. We need to send the render in. What's going on? I need a moderator to kill my bot. Oh no! It just went and said. It just went and said the cooldown period still was. Don't blame the bot. You blame the developer. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I'm keeping quiet. Right. Okay, so that should work. Right, let's see if we get a UFO on the screen. Well, we'll get the outline. We'll get the outline anyway. Oh! Oh, what's going on here? Let's delete that and we'll do it again so we can see the error messages. Alright, Gary. As usual, this will be on GitHub so you can play when you wake up. Yeah. Yes, I did mean UFO. So why are you still erroring? it's not liking that. Oh. That in it. Now, it needed to resize it, didn't it? I hadn't resized it. So that should be done. That should now compile. Now we got a different thing. Have I been missing some semicolons off? I must have missed some semicolons. Well, have I missed some semicolons anywhere? No? $78. So I have, look at that. Well spotted. Well spotted. And you can get them because you got both of them before SP got the other one. Right. All these points add up. You get all these points add up, and then get something at the end of the year. You can ask who had the most points last time. I can't remember. Right, where is it? Where is it? And yeah, I know Nico. It was, I think it was Nicomo, and I sent them a little prezi. Faye's got one as well because he helped with Nico's run, and a couple of other people got them as well. If you look on Discord, you'll look at, if you've joined my Discord, you'll see on Discord what they got because they put it on there. Right, okay, so I'm got a sneaky suspicion that we've got to set the colour. I think. No. I know what we're missing. I know what we're missing. The S doesn't light up anymore on yours. What? The middle one. Oh no. Oh, that is freaky that the names are very similar. I am sorry for your loss. Yeah, it still affects me every now and then. I do have moments. I do have moments. Yeah, my first stream after it was a bit of a blubbering mess, I think. The first, I think I streamed it a little bit too early, I think, and yeah, it was a bit of a blubbering mess. I looking back at it, I feel real embarrassed about it, but he affected a lot of he had an effect on a lot of people's lives. And that makes me feel, and Mrs. OSK, makes me and Mrs. OSK feel that his life had a bigger impact than most pets. So, yeah, welling up now. Trying my best not to do it on here. No. Don't be sorry for mentioning it. Don't be sorry for mentioning it, because I've been told by many viewers that it's going to be a long time before you get over it. But don't be sorry to mention it, because it's the only way that I can keep Nico alive in my head, is thinking about him all the time. He's thinking about and the fact that he's got a game after him. The fact he's got a game after him also helps. Right. Now the reason why it wasn't on the screen is because we weren't drawing it on the screen. We made it and then we just left it. So hopefully now we'll get a UFO on screen. Well, we'll get the outline anyway. Hopefully. Let's see. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I've set the XY coordinates. Right, debug time. Oh, hang on. Hang on a second. Oh, number of count. Oh, rats. That's 7, isn't it? Because we've got 8 in total. Yeah, 8. So that's 7. But I don't have to set the colour, do I? We don't do it in anywhere else, do we? No, we don't do it there. Right, debug time. Let's just make sure. Well, there should be, because that should be right. The way I've done it, it should be doing this. So if I take that one, whoops, undo. If I take that one away and that one away, yeah, it should be doing that. Oh, hang on. Yeah, that's a point. Right. Let's get these in order. So top left, start there. Top right, second right. Right, that needs to be 3. So, no. No. That second right needs to be 2. So top left, then top right, then second right, then third right. 3, then bottom right is 4, and then bottom left is 5, third left is 6, second left is 7. Right, they are now in order. They are now in order. So top left, top right, second right, third right, bottom right, bottom left, third left, second left. Right, they're in order. Yeah, yeah. How do you do the errors? Is there an error like with the sound where we can test for the sound, like get mix error? Is there a render get error? Do any of us watch the Super Bowl? I know I've got fellow work colleagues that are absolutely bonkers on American football. And yes, they will watch the entire Super Bowl to the point that they actually don't go to sleep and then go work afterwards. So, I thought it might have been. Right, let's see if we get any sort of error coming out. Come on. Oh, parameter render is invalid. That's why it's not showing. Oh, no. No! That's right. That's right. Renderer. That's right. Oh, hang on. Forgot that. Pants. Go on, everybody. Everybody say it. Plank. I'm gonna have to do exclamation mark plank where you can actually say on stream plank. What a wally. Play my video. Yes, yes. Yes. I don't know if everybody saw that clip. Oh, there it is. There it is. Parameter texture is invalid. Well, we don't need that now, because now we know it's working. Right, let's see exactly what it looks like, because it was off the screen. Yeah, it's the big UFO, because I put the multiplier on big. So it's a big UFO. So it's just so he could see it. Right, so we're missing half the ship. I wonder if that's meant to be 8. You'd have to be on Mars to miss that. Yeah. Right, okay, so we're missing the final bit, aren't we? So, we need to boost this to 9, and then we need to go need to do that and make that 9. Right, that should give us a complete UFO shell. Loss of atmosphere. Yeah. That's why the lines in the middle have gone. They got sucked out. Whoa! No! You didn't. No one saw that. No one saw that. No one saw that. No, no one saw that. Come on. There we go. Right. So we've got the ship. So now we need to put the lines in. Now we need to put the lines in. So we've done lines before. Here. So I need to put 2 more lines in. So the lines are going to be these 2 here. Go away. Right, so the next one is going to be this one here. And then this one. Right, so we should have a UFO. Or change the order and do it mostly in one go. Oh, you mean make it run over duplicate? There we go. One spaceship. So now, if I change the constructor. Oh, I haven't put the I didn't put the code in, did I? I didn't put the code in for new ship. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. So we'll do it by hand. We'll do it by hand. So we had size 3. There we go. So if we do size 1, that should be the small ship. Oh no, no it's not. It's the medium ship. Size 1 is the medium ship. Yeah, there we go. But to be honest, we need to change the multiplier because I've just realised what it is. The multiplier is not an int, it's a float. Right, so the big one, the big ship, is this. In the pie game, the big ship is that. So let's put that on screen so we can see it. It looks like the Jupiter 2 from Lost in Space. I was wondering when someone was going to say it. Right, that's the big one. Yeah, that's the big ship. So that looks right. So the medium-sized one that I've got in Pie Game is that, half the size. Yeah. So let's just run that and see if it looks okay. Right, that's the medium ship. That's the medium ship, so it's smaller. And then the small ship is that. And that's the small ship. Didn't get out quick enough. So they're the 3 sizes, yeah? So we've got the draw routine for the ship up. So now what we need to do is we need to create all the other functions. So let's start. We might as well start with a new ship, yeah? Seems about right. Yeah, it's. I'll create 3 of them and we'll have them next to each other. Yeah. Cool. Poor thing's rebooted again, hasn't it? I've got to sort out. I've got to give it a bigger buffer. Can't handle some of these messages. Right. So when we have a new ship, we're going to say x point equals 0, y point equals 0, so it's off the screen. No rotation. Really? You've got thrust in it? Okay, we've got a new variable. Didn't see that one. Oh, fingers and thumbs. Yeah, it moves at fixed speeds, yeah? Yeah, it's the bot. Because I've been messing around with, I've been messing around. There's an SP32 dev board powering that LED thing. But the text buffer for the messages I've not made big enough. So when that assistant producer patron message comes up, it corrupts the program, so it reboots. And so the IP address is to let me know what IP address it's on, yeah, so I could talk to it. But yeah, it threw a bit of a fit. Right, so got another one called thrust. Right, so let's do this. I can't help it. Can't help it. I'm going to have a play with it tomorrow. I'm going to see if I can get that. See if I can get the red light animation and get it to doing on there. I forgot that you were in, and I've checked the videos as well, and you twin twice in there as well. I sorted that out. The end credits. She was in there twice. Oh, dear. When you told me, I had to have a look in the end credits. Oh, where's that? Oh, where's that been typed? There. Is Aston awake? Yeah. Thought I could hear him. Right, what else have we got? Right, okay. So now switch size. I know you're guys are gonna shout at me because I'm probably doing this wrong. I'm trying to learn how to use switches. When did I use this switch last time? I can't remember. But I don't normally use them in coding at work professionally. Exploding lines. Oh yeah, we did, didn't we? That was in player, wasn't it? There we go. Yeah. Oh, I got it right. I got it right. I'm learning. I'm learning. So this is where we're setting the so size multiplier. Oh, why can't you see size multiplier? It's there. So the size multiplier for big is that, and the ship index is that. That one's 0.5, that is that, 2.5, that is that. Ooh, that. Oh, right. Oh, we didn't think about that, did we? Didn't think about that. So radius equals 25 times by the size multiplier, and it's still not on there. I'm all fingers and thumbs. I'm tired. That's the problem with me. Right. So we've initialized it at exploding time. So that's going to be the same as the exploding time for the player, and also it's got its own self-contained laser set as well, which we have in player as well. So we'll do the same thing. Oh, is it? Or is the laser outside? Laser's outside now. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I mean, it's there. The constants are there. I don't know why it's not seeing it. No idea. I mean, these are not. I presume. Well, that should be going blue because we've used it now. Used it here. Now we'll have the laser outside. Yeah, even X point. Yeah, it's not highlighting. I don't know what's going on. Right, so that should be the new ship. that should be the new ship. So when we have a new ship, we fix it in the corner. We give it no velocity, for a better word. We define its size, and then we define the radius, and we're using this radius for the collision detection, yeah? So we use that radius value for the collision detection. And he's gone back downstairs again. Yes, he has. Right, so we've got sounds. We have got sounds for the saucer. Right? So we got sounds, which you heard, which is this one. But it repeats, yeah? And then we've got this one. But just repeats again, again, and again. So I'm gonna copy them across, and we'll use those for the sound. What is going on here? Go away. So I should be able to grab it straight out of the archive. Here we go. Where's Pyroids? It's not there. Okay, where did I put it? What's it called? You're in that bed now. Hey? You're in that bed now. The camera does not point in there. Your door in public won't be able to see you. Let me turn it round so they can see you. You stay there. Yeah? You stay there. Oops. Oh, you're not. You're moving, are you? All right. You're moving. There you go then. I put a bed in here. I put a bed in here because I thought that he was getting a bit lonely out there because, you know, his friend's no longer there. All right, Kyle. Good night. See you next time. So I brought a bed in it. I brought a bed in here so he could sleep there. But the problem is, I've only got one camera. I've only got one Nico cam, so I'd have to move it. Right. It's in here. Patron. Where are we? Pyroids. There we go. Resources. Right. We'll grab that one and that one. So, right, so we need to, in here, we need to load these assets in, yeah? So we're going to create another create another one of these. Well, 2 of them, to be honest. And we'll stick them there. 1, 2. So this one's going to be... what did I call it on here? Yes, that's what I call it. I keep editing this. I don't want to do. Here we go. Yeah, so... Oh, you mean just call them what they are? Okay. Oh, and I can't spell for love nor money. Right, assets. LS Saucer. L Saucer. So that should load them in. Why are you saying that's an unknown word? I thought you got to define them somewhere. Hopefully not case sensitive. Oh, it probably is. Well, that's easily solved. Right, so bring them in. Now, we need to play them continuously. So we need to find... How can we play continuously? Yes, yes, mate. How can we play something continuously? Well, it's not in there. You mean this?
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
How can you find these so fast? How do you find these so fast? I was looking for it. Oh, -1 to loop indefinitely. Good shout. You're going to have to show me how you find that so fast, because I was struggling. Right. So we need another. There's another function. Yeah, he's really on it today, isn't he? He's really on it today. Right, so void activate ship. Right, so this is where we're going to activate the ship. So we instantiate it, but this is where we activate it. So we've got the velocities. Now, I think I've got all the variables now. Let's have a look. We'll leave them there, yeah? So activate, active equals true. That means it's going a bit, whatever happens, it's going to happen to it. This game is going to be the ship. Yeah, if it's big. Right. Now. We were set. Oh, we'll talk about that in a bit. Right. Thrust.x equals x velocities. Come on. You can see it. Come on. You're joking me. I think I'm going to have to reboot this thing. Right. Ship index. Right, I'm just going to set that to 0 because that's what we've got in there. We'll mess around with making it do more. So x point is equal to 0. Y point is equal to a random. Right, we need to do a random number. Is that randint? Right. So we need to randomize. So rand. So you're saying that, and then it's height. Randomize for the height. So it picks a, and then we're gonna go across. And then now is if. That's or, I think, if I remember. Right, so I think I've still got, yes, I still got that in there. Right. So this is L sorcerer. Now, I've defined this outside of the UFO ship. The UFO ship's not going to see this, is it? The UFO ship's not going to see this. 01 are used. Okay. But the UFO class is not going to see this. So we're going to have to pass it in, aren't we? the channel. Yeah, that's the one that goes under the channel. Right, so we're going to have to pass that in. So, like that, yeah? Do 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 do. Hang on a second. You would only need to pass one mixed chunk sound and then just send the sound you want to play. But we don't know. That's the thing. We send in the size and then it works. That means we'd have to know what size it is, what the size of the ship is, and if we change the ship size while we're running, let's say if we have a power up that makes the UFO smaller, yeah, that's all I'm thinking about. Now this is probably not working because I'm not including anything, not including it, am I? Oh, I am. Why is this being... What am I missing? Oh, I'll compile it and see if it works. Right, and then on the small ship we would play that one. Right, let's activate this ship. Am I missing something? Activate ship. What am I missing? It's in the public. Yeah. John's favourite part, music and sound. No it ain't. No it ain't. No it ain't. Why can't I see that activate? I'll do that. What? Oh, activate shit. Do you see it now? No? I have... Oh. Let's see if it bombs. Oh, forgot to put the size in. Yeah. It's a string. Oh. Maybe it's because of that. Really? I can't use a switch. Wow. Can't use a switch here. Can't use a switch. So it's going to have to be the good old-fashioned ifs, else if. You can use them with constant on enums. Yeah. We'll stick with this for the moment. I'll look into that later. You can tell I don't use switches very often. You can tell I don't use switches very often. In fact, we'll make that else. If it's that, else. If it's that, else. It's small. Right, let's see if we get any errors now. Ooh. Have I done that wrong? Is that why our house is always the wrong temperature? Hey, I've had the central heating on this morning. Today. My house is now a nice, comfortable... Hang on. Tell you a sec. God, it's a balmy 15 degrees in this room, this house. I don't need to do what where. I'm passing in the... Yeah. If you goes below 17, you panic. The sound is definitely in the main seat. Yes. Oh, hang on. Hang on, I've just thought. We're not passing it in, are we? Why is that complaining now? Render thing. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, I understand. I missed it. It goes there. Now you should be happy. Now toasting at 15 degrees. Yeah, it's nice and toasty. Now I've got central heating after nearly 2 months. 2.5 months without eating. Yeah. Oh, it's not appeared. Oh, it's there. There it is. But I can't hear a thing. Can't hear a thing. Do I have a heater at my toes? No, mate. No, mate. Oh, why is that not playing? So we're activating the ship. So why is it not playing? Oh, because I forgot to do this. Lots of heat from all the signs. No, all the computers I have around here. That's why in the summer it's roasting hot. Come on. Nope. It's there, but it's not playing any sound. And it's small, and we told it was big. Oh, hang on, it's LGE, isn't it now? Oh, from the welding? Yeah. We're not going to talk about that anymore. I've given up on that. My welding days are over. I'm not touching the soldering iron ever again. Ever again. Look at this. I'm a true Twitch streamer now. I've got to activate Windows. Look at this. Got to activate Windows. Yeah. There we go. Come on. Give me the... Why are you not playing the sound? Right, okay. So we need to boost that every time we add a new sound effect on a channel, yeah? No. Let's see if it actually plays first. No, it's not playing it. It's saying it's an unknown word. But... yeah. Here we go. It's not playing it. Maybe. Oh, I don't like it when these... Right, okay. Oh dear. You're going to get a name for yourself, FaZe. You're going to get the clip monster. The clipping monster. There we go. Well, there's nothing wrong with that sound effect. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that sound effect. Just doesn't want to play. Just does not want to play. No, it's not even playing anything, is it? It's not even playing anything. 3. Right, 3. So we need to make sure we've got enough channels open, yeah? So let's do 10. There we go. Can't complain there's not enough channels open. Right. Right, I mean, it's 1:45 here. I think. Hello, enumerate. I think we're gonna. I don't know why that's not playing.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh, I'm gonna have to change the bot to make it this automatic now. Gonna have to change the bot to make this automatic. Welcome. Welcome. Right. I'm going to try this one more time and then I'm going to say I'm going to leave it. I will put it in Discord on the Patreon repo and then you guys can have a play. Oh, see that error message here? Unsupported number of audio channels. Doesn't like 4. Right. So 2. So what's this? Oh, right, okay. -1 plays on the first free audio channel. It's still not liking it. What was it? Mix. What was this? Mix default channels. That was it, wasn't it? It didn't like that number 2, did it? Right, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it there because this is now frustrating me. Sound, me and sound, always the same, isn't it? Me and sound. Wait, are you closing the channels properly? I have no idea. I have no idea, mate. The sound was put in by Gary. But this should be playing straight away. That should be playing straight away. Mix quit. I don't know, mate. Don't know. But this should be playing, it's the very first thing, because I've made sure it's the very first thing in the code. So that should be playing continuously no matter what. But it's not. I mean, it's not erroring anymore. Then why is the shooting and the oh, that just baffles me. Baffles me. No. Right, I'm going to let you guys mess around with that. I need that. Oh, my chat stopped. My chat stopped. Oh, there we go. It's caught up. See, lesson 21. Yeah, I'll have a look at lesson 21. But what I'm going to do is I'll zip this up and I'll put it in Discord. You're welcome. Night night. You're welcome. I'll be back on Monday. It's Wednesday today, isn't it? I'll be back on Monday. But if you're a subscriber and you are a member of my Discord, you will be able to see this code and mess around with it. Yeah. And you'll break it for me over the weekend. I don't doubt it, mate. I don't doubt it. All right then, guys. I mean, it's approaching midnight here, so I'm going to call it a memory leak. I don't doubt it, mate. I don't doubt it, but I'll have to look at it, and also SP and Gary can look at it as well. And anybody else who wants to grab it, like I say, it'll be in Discord in the next 20 minutes. Alright, well thank you very much for sticking with me. And I will see you on Monday, hopefully. Alright then, take care guys. I'll see you later. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.